Hello everyone, so we'll be starting with practice set 1.3 today, and what we have to do is we have to convert the rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, so first thing where most of you do the mistake is where to place the numerator and where to place the denominator. 9. The numerator becomes your dividend and the denominator become your divisor. Okay, one easy way to remember is this is denominator, okay, and that is why it is divisor. The denominator becomes your divisor. Okay, then 37, this becomes 0. Okay, I'll put a 0 here, then I can put a point here. Okay, this is 90 now. Okay, 37 2 times is 74. So I'll write here 74. What is this? 6 and 1. 16. I'll put one more 0 here. Okay. Now I don't know the table of 37, but I know the table of 35. When I say I know the table of 35, it actually means we can guess the table of 35. What is 35 2 times? 35 2 times is 70. So 35 4 times will be 140. Okay. So 37 4 times will be how much? You just add 8 to it. 148. So it is very close. 37 4 times is 148. What remains is 12. Okay. So I'll put a 0 here. Now 35 3 times will be how much? 105. So 37 3 times will be how much? Just add 6 to it. It is 111. Okay. Again see here I am getting 9. Okay. So this whole step will get repeated. I am here now. Again I am here. Okay. So I'll put a 0. Then again I'll get 2 and likewise. Okay. So I got, therefore I can write 9 by 37 equals to 0.243 recurring. These three numbers will get repeated. Okay. So remember this. One more sum we'll do. Then second one is say 18 by 42. Okay. Now 18 upon 42. You know 42 is denominator, so this will become divisor. 18 will come here. Okay. 42 I cannot take, so 0. Put a 0 here, point. Okay. So 42, I know the table of 40, so I'll say 42 times is 80, so 4 times is 160. Okay, so 42 4 times will be, just add 8 more, so 168. Okay, what remains here is 12. Okay, now I'll put a 0 here. You know 40 3s is 120, so 42 3s will be 126. Okay, so what you will do is you will put 42 2s, that is 84. What remains is 6. 9 plus 3 12, 36. Okay, put a 0 here. Then I have to go till 360. Let us take the number of 36 and 4. 4 9s is 36. So if I take 42 8s, let us see, 42 8 times 16, 8 4s, this is very close. Okay, but if I take 42 9s, it will be more than 360. So I'll take 42 8s, 336. Okay, see what I'll get. 4, this is 4 plus 2 6. Okay, 24. So I'll put a 0 here. This becomes now 240. Okay, now 240 and 4 6 times is 46 times is 240. So I'll take 42 5 times. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are, this is 210, very close. So 42 5s I'll put 210. Okay, what remains is 30. Okay, I'll put here 0 and 4 7s is 28. So let us take what is 42 7s, 7 2s is 14. 7 fours are 28 plus 1 29, so it is 294. Okay, so I am getting 294. Okay, remainder I am writing here, this is 6. Okay, so this becomes 60. Okay, this is 42 7 times I haven't written here. So 42 7 times is 294. Remainder I have written here. Then again I'll write 42 ones are 42. What remains is 18. See, we have got 18, so again we are here. Okay, so I'll put 180. Then this whole cycle will get repeated. Okay, so our answer is very simple. How will you write? Therefore 18 upon 42 equals to 0.428571. Okay, so this is recurring 0.42857. I'll write this again. (18 by 42 equals to 0.428571 recurring. Okay, children. So let us do third one now. Third one is 9 by 14. So I'll put 14 as divisor, 9 here. Okay, now you know 14 zeros are 0, this will become 90 and put a point. Okay, now 14 table, you know the table of 14 says 14 6 is 84. So I'll put this 84, this becomes 6, again here 0. Okay, now 14 4 is 56, 4 remains 0, 14 3 is 42, so I cannot write 3, I'll take 2, 28. What remains here? 12. Okay, so I'll put here 0. 14 7 is 98 and 14 8 is 112. So we have to take 8 times 112. Okay, what remains here is 8, which I am carrying here, 8 0. Okay, now 14 5 times is 70. What remains here is 10. Put a 0, 100. Now 14 7 is 98. What remains here is 2. Okay, so I am getting 14 1s are 14. See, now I am getting 6 here. Okay, so again I am here. So now here if you see, this whole cycle will get repeated. Okay, so we'll not take 6. Okay, we'll take only this much part is recurring. So how will you write the answer? Just see, I'll write here the answer for you. That is 9 upon 14 equals to 0.6428571. Okay, of this only this portion is recurring, so you will not put the bar sign on 6. Okay, because 6 is not recurring. Okay, understood? Then we'll move on to the fourth one. So if you observe children, fourth one, 5 is the divisor and minus 103 is the dividend. So I've not taken here minus sign, afterwards we'll take. Okay, so I'll just divide this. 5 2s is 10, 3 remains, 5 zeros are 0, I'll put a 0 here. Okay, then 5 6 is 30. Now this is called terminating type decimal, means here nothing is recurring, so it terminates. So how will you write? Therefore minus 103 upon 5 equals to, because it is negative, so you will put minus 20.6. Okay, then we'll come to fifth one. Okay, you can see it is minus 11 by 13. Okay, so what we'll do, 13 denominator place as divisor and 11 here. Now 13 zeros is 0, we cannot divide, so put a 0 here. put a point here. Now it is 110. You know the table of 13 children. 13 9 is 117. So I'll take 13 8 za. What is 13 8 za? It is 104. 6 remains, put a 0. So 13 4 za 52. Okay. 8 remains, put a 0. Then 13 5 is 65. 13 6 is 78. Very close. So take 2 here, put a 0. Then again 13 1 za 13. 7 remains. Okay. And I'll take here 0. So I'll write 7 here, 70. 13 5 za 65. 5, put a 0. 13 3 za 39. Here we come 11. Again we are here. Okay. So this whole process will get repeated. Again I'll take, put a 0, then I'll take 13 8 za 104. So again it will be the same. So no need to write that. This all becomes recurring. So how will you write this? Therefore minus 11 by 13 equals to minus 0.846153. The whole numbers are repeating. Okay, so this is your answer. We come to the end of practice at 1.3. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.